Hey kings and queens, welcome or welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm not gonna lie, I'm recording this at 6 o'clock in the morning, but you know what? We feeling good, we looking good, we feeling alright, okay? So as you guys can see, this is a giveaway video. I don't want to make this too long. Let's get into the chase. So you feel me? Get the drink, hit you where you need to hit. Now, tis the holiday season when our pockets start to get touched a little bit too hard for us. You feel me? So I wanted to get back to y'all, and this is my little, you know, part 1 of part 3 giveaway, because for every holiday I'm doing a giveaway. You feel me? So how to enter this giveaway for Halloween, because this is the Halloween holiday season giveaway. So you have to be publicly subscribed to my channel. You have to like this video. You have to comment your favorite thing about Halloween. Like, I know my girl Cafe with Anna, like this is her holiday. Like, she gang, you feel me? She all about it. Like, she loves Halloween and this is her thing. So let me know in the comments, like, why is Halloween your favorite holiday? Because you know what, Thanksgiving can come and run for your money, Christmas coming to run for your money, but you know why Halloween is your holiday. You feel me? So let me know in the comments why you stand by it. You know, this your holiday, you gonna stand by it, point blank, and what, period. You feel me? So comment your favorite thing down in the comments, and lastly, leave your IG or email information in your comments as well, so your girl know how to contact you. Because hello, how am I gonna do that? Not on YouTube by itself. So leave me your IG or your email. I don't need you to go no other place, right here, little baby. So drop those in the comments down below, like and subscribe to this video. Now, what is the giveaway info? Okay, let me tell you, we are doing a $25 giveaway for this giveaway today. Okay, so the prize is $25 giveaway, and it's gonna be given out through Cash App or PayPal. So you have to have one or the other in order for more to give it to you. You feel me? So yeah, Cash App or PayPal is how it's gonna be paid. This giveaway runs from 2 October to 8 October, which is the aunt's birthday. So you know, she gonna be good. We gonna end this on a good day, on a great day, the aunt's birthday. You feel me? So it runs from 2 to 8 October, and then the announcement of who the winner is will be on 9 October on Instagram. I have a schedule for these uploads, y'all, and 9 October is not on my schedule. You know, just calling a spade a spade, telling y'all the truth, my business or whatever. And 9 October, yes, I can do the announcement and do it on Instagram. So the announcement will be on Instagram, but I will definitely be contacting the winner, whether that's by IG or by email. So one or the other. But anyways, y'all, that is what you need to do to enter this giveaway, to win this giveaway. Okay, subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment while you repping Halloween all day, every day, and twice on Sunday. Okay, leave a way to contact you and win this $25. Don't forget, it runs through 2 to 8 October, and it's a Cash App or PayPal. If you ain't got either one of them, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is AnekeAnnakay, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little